This is part 3 of our video series on the comma. If you haven't watched parts 1 and 2, you can find a link to them in the description below. In part 1, we discussed the use of commas in introductory phrases. We said that we wouldn't use a comma when a dependent clause followed an independent clause. The truth is, it's a bit more complicated. Take these two sentences for example. He bought the tennis shoes, comma, which are in style these days. He bought the tennis shoes that are in style these days. What happened here? Why do we use a comma in the first sentence but not the second? Well, we need to use a comma in a phrase that begins with the word which because it creates what's called a non-restrictive element. By contrast, we need to keep out the comma when we use the word that because it creates a restrictive element. What are restrictive and non-restrictive elements? I never thought you'd ask. Well, a restrictive element is one that is essential to the meaning of the sentence. A non-restrictive element is one that is not essential to the meaning of the sentence. Let's turn our example into a question. Which shoes did he buy? According to the first sentence, he bought the tennis shoes. According to the second sentence, he not only bought the tennis shoes, but he specifically bought the ones that are in style these days. The first sentence's reference to being in style is not essential to determining which shoes he bought. Because the first sentence references style only as an aside, it becomes a non-essential element. And we must use a comma. Because the second sentence specifically references style, it becomes an essential element. And we must not use a comma. Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.